So the following figure shows the front and side views of the solid, which is similar to the T problem. So you need to draw the isometric projections. So there is a square slab, square side length is 70, thickness is 30. Then there is a cylinder, diameter is 35 and length of the cylinder is 40. So created a 3D model. So this is a square slab. So you can see that here he has shown in this figure you can see that he has shown the left side of an object on the right profile plane. So that means we need to draw only in this way. I cannot keep the square this problem like this. He has not shown this surface and this surface. Neither I cannot keep the solid like this, because it is going to be resting it on the square surface. As per the question, it is resting it on this rectangular surface 70 by 30. So I need isometric projections only in this way. I cannot draw it in the other way. So first we shall draw the square slab. So the square side length is 70, so we need to draw it. So this is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Then from here 70, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and 70. Then here 70. Then we are going to join it. So we have drawn this surface. Now we shall give the thickness, which is 30. So from here 3 box. Then I need to draw the cylinder. First thing is I need to find the center. So this is the center, 35. Then we need to draw the vertical surface, which is this surface. So only this one we need to draw it. That means we are exactly at the center. From here it is, from here 17.5, 17.5, 17.5, 17.5 for the side length 35. So we have to draw this circle ellipse on this vertical surface. So that means this ellipse. So now we are exactly at the center. So if it is 35, that means from here 17.5, 17.5, 17.5 and 17.5. How we need to take it? So from here we can just take with the compass. From here it becomes 10, this becomes 20. So 17.5 will be drawing. So this much is the distance what we need to take. If I'm going to take it here, then this becomes 15. It is more than 15. So within this you can just take the distance from the compass and take this line accordingly. So from here take the compass measurement, and from here you can cut it here, cut it here, cut it here, cut it here. Then you are going to draw parallel to these lines and draw the box. So I have drawn the box taking the measurement of this line. For me I got it as 14.3. So this is the 14.3 I got it for 17.5. ISO length of 17.5 is 14.3. So with that distance I have just take the distance and cut an arc here, cut an arc here, cut an arc here, cut an arc here also. Then draw lines parallel to this. Then draw line, this line is going to be parallel to this and this. Then join the box. Then we need to draw the ellipse. Draw major axis, then draw minor axis. From here then draw ellipse. Already I have totally in the first class, so I'm going to directly keep it. So I have drawn this ellipse. Next thing is we need to see the length of the cylinder. The length of the cylinder is 40. That means from here it should be 40, so it is going to be inclined to 30 degrees. So here, instead of drawing it from the center, even that is also correct, but here when the top diameter and the bottom diameter is same, so I just draw from this corner, which is from here. I will take the compass measurement of 4 boxes because I cannot take it from here. I'm going to take it 4 boxes distance, so I just show it in different color for your reference. So from this point I'm going to join this. I'm going to draw from here line and cut for ISO 40, that means 4 box. After getting the end point, we need to join this. So for your reference, just now I'm going to make it thick lines. They should be in thin lines. Since it is not visible, so I'm going to make it thick. So after drawing it, again we need to draw the same way. Draw major axis, from here minor axis, join it, then again draw the ellipse. So here what I do, so now I have drawn this ellipse. Now I'm going to rub all these construction lines. Now I'm going to draw tangent line from this point till this point, that is like from this midpoint to midpoint. Then I'm going to trim all these construction lines. So rub all the construction lines. Even this line should not be there. This one, mention this 30 degrees. So hope you understood.